Why?
No clothes is always white.
But
Even
that's
if it's on the
awesome.
ground. Oh, it's hard to believe that US Smoker is approaching its 70th year.
Wow.
Here to tell us about the 2018 staging, Smoker's marketing manager, Trimane McKenzie. And Trimane went to Arden.
He's also a med-sci student.
And he's a med-sci. He's going to be a doctor and take care of all of it for free and all that.
He's going to take care of brains, actually. He's not going to take care of so much of your body.
Good morning.
But, good morning, Trimane.
My brain needs a lot of work.
That's true. Okay, so tell us a little bit about Smoker, and then tell us a little bit about this year's event.
Okay, so Smoker is a 60-year tradition. It's staged by it's a series of fundraisers staged by the med students, third-year med students, and it's in aid of a local hospital each year. So this year, the beneficiary hospital is the Port Maria Hospital.
Why?
And the Port Maria Hospital, okay, so what we did was we went to a few hospitals this year, and we looked at their needs. And when we reported back to our class, they chose the Port Maria Hospital as the beneficiary hospital.
It was the most in need?
What they also had was that seeing that the Ian Fleming's Airport is going to be accepting commercial flights very soon, they realized that there's going to be an increased demand on their health services. So we wanted to help them fulfill their expansion of their healthcare.
Fantastic.
The theme for this year.
So the name of the play this year is called Volition, The Choice Is Yours. And
Big up yourself, all over your shirt.
okay, let me see. Do we have it on? Okay.
Yeah, man.
So this year, it's about, I don't want to give away too much, but it's about a woman who is faced with a lot of choices, and she has to make the right choice.
Oh, you have a video.
Or you're gonna see what's gonna happen. So that's what it's really about this year, and at the end it's a bit political, so it's gonna be really interesting.
And all the performers in Volition are med-sci students?
We're all med students.
Okay, and you all have an inclination to do drama? How is it that all of you came to be a part of this?
It's an annual thing. People have been doing drama since like high school and stuff, so this is a perfect opportunity for us to unleash our talent, I suppose.
Wait! Did the pastor just wink after the...
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay.
So this is our trailer.
It looks very interesting.
So these are people that were in the church are at this party as well?
It's all right. You don't need to find it. You need to go and watch it.
Yeah, I'm not going to give away too much.
So when can we see it?
Okay, so it's on September 4th to 9th at the Philip Sherlock Center. And that's on the
UWI campus.
The UWI campus. And it is, we have 6 nights, and we have student night, which is on September the 4th and the 5th. And that is 1,500. And then we have our gala night, which is on Saturday, which is $3,000 pre-sold.
This looks fantastic. So that trailer was just for the play. Y'all put together the trailer for a play?
It was super fun putting it together.
Of course.
We had so much fun that day, and I just can't wait for everybody to see
why
this.
Why look like you like the drama thing little more than you're saying?
I actually found out that I love it more than I had anticipated. Yeah.
Okay. Where can people buy tickets?
Okay, so we have tickets available at Chilitos, at the Mona Visitors Lodge, and the 23rd wing at the University Hospital. Okay. Also, you can purchase them online at broughtoliving.com.
Wow.
And we also have an I Support Jamaica page where you can donate to.
That's fantastic. So all of this is in aid of the Port Maria Hospital, and it's a very good cause. Any hospital that money goes to is good for me, because you never know when you're going to need it.
You know, accidents never tell when and where they're going to happen. So it's best to help any health facility that you can.
Most definitely. Why should they come out and watch it before we go?
It is, like I said, accidents never tell where and when they will happen. You know, helping the Port Maria Hospital is not only helping people off Port Maria. It is a national thing. It's not only a national thing. You could be coming on a vacation from New York, and you meet an accident, and you might need to go to the Port Maria Hospital.
Knock on wood, that doesn't happen.
You know, so you know, it's important that we help all health facilities when we can.
What time does the play start each night?
Okay, so we have different times. So I wouldn't want to overwhelm the audience with all these times. So
you could visit us.
You could visit us on our Instagram page at UWI 2018. Or you could email us at uwismoker2018@gmail.com. Or you could call us at 451-7114.
There you have it. It is Smoker's marketing manager. And of course, he's our future psychiatrist, Trimane McKenzie, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you for having me.
And I break a leg, by the way.
Okay.
All right, guys, we're going to go for a break. We'll be right back. I shouldn't say break a leg to a doctor, right? He's probably like, no, don't break anything. We'll soon come back.
Yeah.